In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flipbook in Canva 2025, specifically designed for beginners. If you're new to Canva or just want to explore a creative way to present your ideas, creating a flipbook is a fantastic option. It's simple, fun, and the perfect way to add some dynamic visuals to your projects, whether you're thinking of showcasing a portfolio, creating a digital presentation, or even making personalized gifts. So, let's dive right in and start from scratch. First, open up your internet browser and go to Canva's website. Once you're on the home page, head over to the search bar at the top and type in Flipbook. As you search, you'll notice a variety of designs and templates popping up. Canva offers a wide range of beautifully crafted templates perfect for whatever theme or style you're aiming for. Take your time to scroll through these options and find a layout that resonates with your vision for the flipbook. Once you've identified the template that catches your eye, click on it to open it up. You'll see a button saying customize this template. Go ahead and click it. This action opens up the template in Canva's editor, allowing you to make it your own. Here comes the fun part. Personalizing your flipbook design. You have full freedom to edit text, colors, images, and even the overall layout. Swap out placeholder text with your own content and adjust fonts to suit your style. You can move elements around the page and personalize each slide to tell the story you want to convey. Don't forget to use the left-hand panel where you'll find additional features like background colors, photos, and illustrations to enhance your design. Canva's intuitive drag and drop interface makes it incredibly easy to mix and match these elements. For beginners, a helpful tip is to keep your design cohesive, stick with a color palette or theme that makes each page flow seamlessly into the next. Once everything feels perfect, take a moment to review your flipbook. Make sure all the text is clear and the visuals are engaging. It's often helpful to preview your design to see how the flipbook will look once it's finalized. If you need to make changes, simply go back into the editor and tweak your design until you're satisfied. And there you have it. You've successfully created your very own flipbook using Canva. This process not only enhances your creative skills, but also provides you with a professional looking product. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves dabbling in design, a flipbook is a unique tool to have in your arsenal. Remember to download or share your final flipbook directly from Canva and enjoy the reactions it garners from your audience. Happy designing!